Hi guys, let me introduce myself. I'm Vicky. I own a salon suite. I do natural hair and I do locks. I do kids' hair. I do some braiding. Right now, I'm about to do my nasty hair after I washed it. So it's time to detangle it. And this is what I'm using to detangle my hair. The Curl Refresh Spray. Okay, I'm going to detangle. Always comb your ends first and work your way to it. Like so. My curls. I do. So I'm located in Greenbelt, in the Greenway Center, at Sola Salon Studio Suites. Oh, stop doing my color over again. It's so faded, guys. I'm so sorry. So faded. I'm re-dye my hair, so I'm not sure what color I would like to do at this point, since I've been every color in the rainbow. If you don't believe me, go to my page. I have a picture of every color that I've done on my own hair on my profile, and you can see them. So I don't know what color I would like to be next, but I'm feeling like it's definitely not going to be basic. Oh, by the way, this is my first time actually doing my niche and posting videos. Alright, now we're detangled. Detangled. I promise you, even though I color my hair so much, it's still not bad. And my curls are still so pretty and bouncy. And my hair isn't dry or brittle. But moving on, let's put the leave-in conditioner in. Okay, so this is the anti-shedding conditioner. Okay, anti-shedding. And you just work whatever leave-in conditioner you use all the way to the ends. Make sure, especially with curls, we have to use a little extra just to make sure that we're hydrating. That is the key to curly hair. Hydration. I have a new steamer, guys, at work in the salon, and I haven't even used it on my own hair. Everybody else's had it used on their hair. I need that type of hydration. So I'm going to take one more squirt. Okay. And I'm just going to go over the ends of there like this. Alright, so we have our leave-in conditioner in. And I'm going to go through it one more time. And then I'm going to put a protective style in it. Yeah. Okay. So, it's not going to be the super neatest part because it's my hair. I don't really care. As long as it's clean and moisturized. Okay. I'm going to throw a protective style in. Look at those hydrated curls. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. Anyways. Alright. Look at that. I brought my hair entirely too much down the middle. That's what that says. Huh, that should not be that easy. Boom, boom. Look at that. No comb. Okay. Just wanted to cut out. Slide. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Put this side up for a second. Just for a second. I know this is not my real voice if you're wondering. Videos. Okay, so got this together. And put the throw. And I might protect this out. So you guys, tell me where you're watching from. I'm doing this. You can drop it in the comments below. And also let me know what else you want to learn about maintaining curly hair. Or one of my favorite products. And I'd love to hear what are your favorite products. Always down to see if there's anything new that I might like. Because you know they'll discontinue stuff in a second. So you always got to keep something in the back pocket. Don't think I have a rubber band. That's okay. That one here. And again, this is not supposed to be perfect because it's just a protective hairstyle. While my hair dries. Conditioner everywhere, guys. I'm at. Yeah. If your conditioner is not coming out like this, then it's not enough conditioner for curls. Okay? As you're doing, you should have this much going on of hydration. Okay? Let's knock this side out. So I'm knocking out this side. You guys, make sure you check out my website because I'm sure it's posted somewhere in this video or somewhere in the comments or even on my page in my bio. So you can also tell me what you think of my website. If there's anything you think was hard for you to understand or navigate through, please let me know. Drop a review on my booking website. All right, so it's time to cornrow down this side. Remember, I only use 2 products. 1 and 2. Okay, there. So if you enjoyed this, go ahead and follow me for more. And also repost this so we can share it around, guys. Share it around, okay? No one gets anywhere from trying to monopolize everything, okay? It's just greedy behavior. Greedy behavior. We can all win, okay? Alright. Protective stuff. Protective stuff. Cannot get over that part right there. I did with my fingers. It's crazy. But guys, follow me, repost me, comment, engage. I will answer as soon as possible. It may take me time to get to everyone, but trust and believe I will respond. So this is the results. My natural protective style after I wash my hair. Detangle and hydrate. Well, detangle and hydrate your hair. And just let me know if you want to do more of these with me. Have a good day, y'all.